to another video in Power BI. Today we will learn data transformation, and in data transformation we will learn how to append queries and merge queries. So let's start. First import the file. Let's say Islamabad sales. Just simply name. Now again I import the Karachi sales. Now we have these two sheets having different cities data. One sheet has a sales of Islamabad and other sheet have a sales of Karachi. Go to transform data. In Power Query editor, you see we have a two different sheet, Islamabad sales and Karachi sales. In order to append queries means that I want a sheet where all the data of individual sheets should be added. This is called the append queries in Power BI. But there is some requirement in order to add the data between all the sheets. There must be similarity between the columns, number of columns, and also the name of the column should be same. As you can see that Islamabad sales have region, product, date, and sales, and Karachi sales also have the same column, region, products, date, and sale. So this both sheet can be append. Okay. For append, you can select any one of this and then go to append queries and select as an append queries as a new. If you click this one, append queries, it will append in the Islamabad sales, the Karachi sales, it will merge. Means that the original data of Islamabad sales will be lost. In append queries new as a that both original file will be same. The Power BI will create a new sheet where data of Islamabad sales and Karachi sale will be appended. Like this one. If I click, it asks first table Islamabad and second table Karachi and just click OK. It created another sheet. It has Karachi, Islamabad, sales. Okay. If you want to see, we can see in the region we have a Islamabad sales and Karachi sales both together. I have append. So this is actually the append queries in Power BI. Now let's talk about the merge queries. For merge queries, I will import another file. Okay. In that file, I have a two table. I will import that two table and then merge that queries together. This is table. I have two table. Okay. Let me first rename this table. It is table, let's say 1. And this is table, assume this is table 2. Now the merge queries can be done in the different ways. Okay. Let me show you the type of the merge queries. If I go to my file, where is that? Power BI. Let's see. These are the types of the merge queries. It is called left outer, right outer, full outer, inner, left anti, and right anti. Let me explain this one by one. The left outer means that assume that you have two tables, so it will take all the rows from the table 1 and the matching from the second. Right outer, it will take all the rows from the second table matching from the right. Full outer, it will take uh, only the it will take all the rows from 1 and 2. Inner will only take the matching from the 1 and 2. Left outer will only take which from the table 1 which should not be matched from the table 2, and the right outer will take only from the table 2 which should not match from the table 1. Okay, we will discuss these things one by one here in the Power BI. Let's say this one table 1 and table 2. First I want the merge queries, same as a merge queries as a leave. Okay, and I will take table 1, and here I will take table 2, and with respect to product, first this is called the joint kind. This all the 6 different type of joint is available. First I take the left outer. The left outer means that all from the first matching from the second. Okay, just click OK. This is the called left outer. You can expand this one with respect to budget. So it is the left outer, which is take the all from the first matching from the table number 2. Now again select this one, take merge queries, table 1, table 2 with respect to product. Now I take the right outer, click OK. Now this is the right outer. Spend with respect to budget sale. Now this is the right outer. Okay, now again select this one, take merge queries, table 1, table 2, with respect to this, full outer. This is full out. Okay, you can do the remaining data cleaning as you want. Okay, and then again you go here. You can take table 1, table 2, with respect to this table, you can take email. This is the inner. In the same way, you can perform the remaining. You can perform the remaining inner left entry and right entry. The thing is that you have to understand that how do you want to merge your queries, what your requirement, what requirements fulfill, what join fulfill your requirement. According to that, you have to use the this join type. Okay. This all one about the merge queries and append queries. I have discussed the remaining things in my previous video. All the tab of home tab I have discussed. Okay. Okay. Now if I go to transformation tab, so there is more thing to be discussed like transpose. Transpose means as we do in the matrices, the row is changed, row changed to column, column changed to rows. Let's say if I click the transpose, this table is converted. If this table has been transposed, means row has been converted into column and column has been converted into rows. So I don't need. I just want to tell you. Reverse rows. Rows means it will be flipped from last row will be upside and upper row will be downside. Let's check it. Banana, mango, orange upside. No. Apple, orange, mangoes, banana downside. So it will actually reverse the rows. Count rows means it counts the how many rows you have. Just click. Showing 4 means that we have a 4 rows. Yes, we have a 4 rows. Okay. Deduct, auto deduct data type I have discussed before that. Rename we have discussed. Okay. Now fill. For fill, let's say I come here. I want to fill it means that fill down and fill up. Fill down means let's say there is an orange, on the downside orange there is a cell null. So fill up will fill the downside of the orange and also banana from here. Let's see. Orange, banana, banana. Okay. If I click here, not fill up, fill down, so the mango will be filled upside and grapes will be filled upside. Check it. Mango upside, grapes upside. Okay. Fill up and fill down, fill the down, fill and fill up, fill the upper empty cell from the rows. Okay, this is pivot and pivot. You can also apply as I think I have discussed this one previous. Unpivot other column. It will convert all the column in the unpivot. Okay, very fast moving left right. It doesn't matter. You can rearrange your table. Let's say if you want your column here, you can rearrange here. Okay, this column set, and this will be noted here. Reorder the columns. Okay, and split format. Format you can also like this one. You can do the format like on lower uppercase. Sorry, this one. Select this one first lower. It is all lower, all upper. Capitalize each first. Print. Print function is actually remove any space if there is a space. Let's say if you see that Append have a 536 character, but if I take the length of this column, let's say I take, let me show you. From a stack, I take the length. Sorry, first let me take the duplicate column. Okay, and if I take the length of this character, you see there is a 6 character. Okay, and orange 7. So sometimes there is a space which you cannot see, but if you take the length, you will see the actual number of character in the word and the column present. So by this you can take the and if you make a trim, so it will remove your space from the rows. Clean also do the any cleansing, any okay, meta cleaning. Normal make right to left. Add prefix if you want. Let's say I want to add prefix before each word. Let's say I say as dash. It actually added as in all the before the word as a prefix. In the same way, you can add as a suffix. Okay, so I think this all I have discussed. Now one thing is remaining from the date. So for date, I will come here. From the date column, you can extract. This has multiple things like a month, date, and year. You can extract many things from the date column. You can take first duplicate. Okay, from duplicate, you click date and take the year. It will extract the year from the date column. Again, you take the duplicate and go to date and take this, let's say month. Now month is 1, 2, 3 likes. Okay. Again, you can duplicate and you can take, let's say quarter is the first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and so on. Again, you can take duplicate and you can take week of the year. This is a 3 week, 8 week, 1 week, and so on. Again, you can duplicate, again take duplicate, and from here you can extract uh, days of a week, days of year, whatsoever you want, you can extract. So many things you can extract from here. You can also extract, let's say, from the quarter, day of week. So this is a day of week 5. Okay, because if you see the date, it is 1st of January 2018. So it was the 5th day of the week. If you start from the Sunday, then it is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then it is the Thursday. It's the 5th day of a week. So in this way, you can extract many things from the date column. Okay. So hope you like the video. Till next video, we will discuss more thing about the power theory. Hopefully, I will discuss the column, conditional column. How can we add the conditional column and custom column? Till next video, take very good yourself. Allah Hafiz.